In this video, we will be showing you a practical guide on how you can support your child with Year 3 division following the school calculation policy. In Year 3, children will continue to understand division as grouping and sharing. Here we have a grouping example. A question number sentence is 20 divided by 5. I have 20 here represented as 2 numicon, and I've grouped them into 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 groups of 5. So this is one group of 5, this is another group of 5, this is another group of 5, and this is another group of 5. I have grouped them into 5, and I have 4 groups of 5 that make 20. I can also represent this in a bar model. 5, 10, 15, 20. I can also show it on a number line, counting 5, 10, 15, 20. I need to have 4 groups of 5 to make 20. Therefore, my answer, 20 divided by 5, is 4. Children will also continue to use sharing for division. For example, here we have 24 divided by 2. I have shared my deans into 2 groups. So I have 1, 2. I have shared the amount out, 1 10 and 2 1s for each. So each has 12. Just like if I was sharing 24 sweets between 2 children, I would be sharing them out. So I have 24 divided by 2 is 12. Finally, in Year 3, children will be encouraged to understand remainders when dividing. For example, here we have 17 divided by 3. They will begin by using their counters or manipulatives to be able to support them. So here I have my deans, my base 10, my ones counters. Now they can use grouping or sharing to be able to answer these questions. Now I have grouped my 17 counters into groups of 3. I've got one group of 3. Oops. I've got another group of 3. Oops. I've got another group of 3. Got another group of 3. Got another group of 3. Oh, and then I have 2 left over. How many groups of 3 do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 groups of 3, but I have 2 remainders. So children would be asked to write remainder 2. They should, through reasoning, be able to explain why they have 2 remainders. 17 is not in the 3 times table. 15 is. 15 is the number that we can only go up to, because if we went to 18, that would be 1 more than 17. Therefore, we have to stop at 15, and these 2 become remainders. They can also show this in a number line. Here we have counted in 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Again, I have to stop at 15 because if I counted another 3, it would take me to 18, and that's beyond the number that I need to get to. In which case, I count how many lots of 3, how many groups of 3. 5 with 2 left over, so 2 remainders. So my answer, 17 divided by 3, will be 5 remainder 2. Children will then move on to solving word problems using their understanding of division and linking this understanding to arrays using the inverse.